tremendous respect for the process, the jurors' verdicts, that family in there, what they've gone through. No one wins in this situation. But I meant it when we said that we respectfully disagree with that verdict. And, you know, you have to understand that because demonstrated mental illness all the way up until that day. Somehow just on that day, she's not mentally ill. And then following, we had to have her restored. We couldn't even communicate with this woman. So just one day out of 6 months, 8 months, she's okay. So we push back a little bit on that. And the difficulty with this kind of case is that jurors don't have the opportunity to understand that not guilty by reason of insanity, it doesn't mean that a person walks back out into the street or into the parking lot like what they think. We're not allowed to discuss that during the course of a trial. So that is certainly a disadvantage, and we just hope that the law changes as it relates to that aspect of it, because this kind of case is so unique that jurors should know that hospitalization could last as long as a prison sentence could last. And until they know that, it's going to be difficult because no one's going to let anyone walk back out into the street after having taken the life of a 3-year-older. So that's what I say, and you know, again, we respect the process, and she has a right to appeal it.
And you are appealing, correct?
Yeah, the
That's
public
correct.
defender has been appointed, so.
Yeah, I mean, I know that somebody else will be handling that, but, and it sounds maybe obvious to some of us, but on what grounds would the appeal be?
Well, I mean, the appellate lawyer would have to look at the weight of the evidence.
Manifest weight and sufficiency of the aggravated murder. She didn't plan that murder. So when you talk about prior calculation and design, there was no prior calculation for her to go into that grocery store. But for a few things happening, Ms. Woods would not even have been there. So I think manifest weight and sufficiency, and the public defender does a great job at doing appeals, so they'll look for whatever avenue they can appeal.
And just to be clear, is she appealing her conviction and sentence, or both?
Both.
Both.
Both. And the other thing that I'll say about this is that, I mean, as you stand here, you all followed the trial. What is the rational motive in this case as to why she took that child's life? And if the answer is because she was angry about money not coming back from the police, then again, we push back a little bit with respect to that. So
She didn't say much. What did she say to you before you came out there or after, at the end here? I mean, I guess maybe the question I'm really trying to ask is, why didn't we hear more from her?
well, I can't tell you what she and I discussed, or what she discussed with Mr. Johnson and I, but we know that she's remorseful, and we know that she feels horrible about this event, and that's probably where I should leave it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.